So what's that, Marco?
Sky. Mommy,
Sky.
this
Okay.
one has yellow.
Yeah, you can use that one.
And I'm going to count.
What about the egg? Which group is that belong? Why it belong to grow food?
Because it came from a chicken.
And came from the chicken. And then it has what?
And it has
What can you get from the grow food? It has what? It starts with letter P.
protein.
Protein. And it helps you to build your muscle and make you tall and
Strong.
strong. Okay.
Cupcakes. On Saturday, she baked another 308 cupcakes. On Sunday, how many cupcakes did Aunt Martha bake in all? Underline the question. I didn't know this. Then this one.
What is the action word? What is the keyword for that problem?
The keyword is in all, and that is
Belong to what?
belong
What operation?
To, it belongs to addition.
So it means what you need to do.
I have to add.
Which number?
Add 300. I have to add 371 plus 308 together. So 271 is 271 and 308. And then this one with the plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Always remember to count from the bigger number.
9, 7, and this one 2 plus 5.
So what's the answer?
The answer is 579.
What? So what strategy do you need to use in order for you to solve the problem?
I need to use the
C is what?
C is for circling the number,
And then U is for what?
underlining the question,
And then B is for what?
to box the word that tells us what to do.
And then E is what?
E tells us the equation.
You have to show the equation, you have to perform it, you have to execute. So what's the name of that technique?
It is
CUBE. What's the name of that?
Cube.
Cube strategy. That's the strategy that you need to use in order for you to solve the problem, the word problem. So what are the sense organs that work together while you're eating the cereal?
My sense organs that work together is my eyes and ears. They can hear the crunch and my eyes can see the food.
And then what
And
else?
my skin help my hands to grab the cereal and pour it into the bowl and grab the spoon.
How does it feel? The milk.
The milk feels cold and wet.
And what about the taste and the smell?
The taste is crunchy and yummy. And
Is it
it
sweet,
has,
sour, or bitter, or what?
it is sweet and it is also crunchy when I crunch it.
When you chew it.
Yeah.